Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell Cardano on Binance. In order to sell the ADA token, which is also Cardano, on your Binance application, it's quite easy. All you need to do is simply head to the wallet section. From your overview, you can locate your Cardano token on here. If you can't find it, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. But before you can do any of this, you must know that you must have an account on a centralized exchange in order to be able to sell or withdraw. So make sure you have an account. Use our link in the description of the video so you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So guys, you've got a verified account. How can you sell the Cardano token? Head to the trade icon here where it says ADA USDT. If it doesn't say ADA USDT, you could simply search for ADA and click on ADA USDT. Now click on sell, and where it says market, that's the market price, go ahead and select market, or if it says limit, select market. We're going with market because it helps us sell instantaneously without having to set any stop loss or take profit for this transaction. And all you need to do is enter the amount of ADA tokens you'd like to sell and hit the sell option, and your ADA tokens will be sold and deposited on your spot wallet or funding. Now, a simpler option of getting yourself some USDT from your ADA tokens or simply selling the ADA would be to head to the home section where we have the convert icon. Click on convert, and then you can go from USDT to Tron, so you can also go from ADA to USDT. So switch the places, and then in place of the TRX, simply search for ADA, which is Cardano, which is the ADA token, and click on Cardano. Now simply enter an amount of Cardano tokens you'd like to sell or convert into the USDT, and you'd be shown the equivalent. And all you need to do is simply click on trade, and the transaction is done. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.